Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 7th of April 2024 and I'm going to be going over week 15's results for SPY's front testing strategy for days open versus previous day close. So on the 1st of April, we can see we had a buy signal. Again, loss of $3,488, which is 0.32%, bringing our cumulative return down to 8.93% and alpha at minus 0.277%. And then we had a sell signal which gave us another loss of 0.1117%, bringing our alpha actually up to positive 0.241%. Next, on the 3rd, again, another loss of 0.328%, bringing our alpha down to minus 0.196%. And to this day, 4th of April was the biggest loss of around 1.956%. So that's almost 2% loss, bringing our cumulative return down to 6.582% and alpha down to minus 0.931%. And finally, on the 5th of April, we had a profit of 0.768%, which actually further reduced our alpha to minus 1.208%, but brought our cumulative return up to 7.35%. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.